This is the perfect Hollywood wave tutorial if you are striving to do it on yourself. I always wanted to do Hollywood glam waves on myself, but it was always too hard. And I found a really easy, simple way to do it on yourself. You don't need to set it. You don't need any pins. It's really super easy. It's highly requested for bridal. It's just a great party hairstyle or event style or birthday hairstyle or anything you can think of where you want to be a little glam, a little spicy, a little extra. This is the tutorial for you. If you'd like to see how I achieve this Hollywood glam wave, please keep watching. Throughout all the different techniques and ways I've learned to do this style, I kind of have a simple way of doing it on myself so that I can achieve the Hollywood glam wave look only with my two hands from this position, being able to work around my whole head. So the tools you're going to need to achieve this look are a wide tooth comb, a heat protectant, a texturizing spray, a volumizing powder, and a wand. I'm going to be using my Paul Mitchell detachable wand with the 1 1/4 inch attachment. I find this to work really well, but if you'd like more ridges in your wave, use a smaller iron, and if you'd like less ridges in your wave, use a larger iron. But I'm going to stick with my 1 1/4 inch for this style. If you're not excited, you're about to get excited! I feel like this look requires a side part for drama, you know? Drama, drama, drama. So to start, I'm going to spray my thermal protectant all over. This is a heat protectant, plus it has hold. That's why I'm using this one and not the Shine Spray by F18, although I love that too for heat protectant. But I want a little hold to this style, so this feels a little tacky when you first spray it. Brush it through, iron, brush through again. That's how you use this product correctly, and you will not be disappointed. It holds, it has body, it has shine, it stays soft, you can still brush it. The curls don't disappear, they have memory. It's fantastic. Try it. So we're gonna spray all over. Get a good amount of heat protectant throughout your hair. You're just gonna brush through. So I spray in all my heat protectant at once, then I wand everything, then I go through with my volume powder. I'm gonna do my bottom row first and then my top row. We are going to section out this bottom row. Brush through very well so there are no tangles in your hair before you start curling. I'm going to take my section. I'm going to curl my section away from my face. And every time I twirl my hair around the iron, I'm never letting go of the ends. I'm using a wrist wrapping motion. So I'm facing my wrist up and then down and then up and then down. I'm tapping the hair to make sure that the heat has gone all the way through my section, and once it has, I can drop it. And now I'm just going to continue around in that same pattern, in the same direction as the last curl, away from the face again, and up, down, up, down, up. So all of my curls should have the same wave pattern. You can hold it for a few seconds if you want before you let the curl drop. That'll help it have a little staying power. And you see how these are kind of lining up and they're like twins? That's what we want. We don't want them to be cousins. We want them to be more like twins. I'm going to do this side first and then I'll show you how I do the other side. See how they all line up like that? That's gonna give us the perfect Hollywood wave. I love it, and we're not gonna disturb the curls until they're fully cooled. But I only worked towards an imaginary center part in the back of my head. This side, I curled everything away from the face, and this side, I'm going to curl everything away from the face. But I'm going to have to flip hands now. Now I'm going to hold my iron in my left hand, curl away, and Same thing. Wrap up, down, till we're all wrapped around. Tap, tap, tap the hair that's wrapped around the iron. Is it hot? If it's hot, it can come off. And there we go. Let's continue this until we get to the middle of the back of the head. See how you can already see how it's going to lay? It's gonna be so pretty! Now that I took my top row down, I kind of clipped away the crown because that's gonna go back, and this side of the part is going to curl that way, and this side of the part is going to curl that way. I'm gonna take a little section across the front, and I'm curling back that way, but I'm gonna over direct it this way so it has lift when it comes back over. And curling away from the face. This piece is thin and fragile, so it doesn't need a ton of time on the iron. Oh, and of course the leaf blowers are coming, so we'll have to see how they all line up again? Now this side, we're gonna go flip hands and curl that way. This side, and the only part that's left is this in the back. I'm going to continue this the same way I did with my heavy side. So I'm going to switch hands again, back to my right hand so that I can curl the hair away in the same direction as my heavy side. This is for that crown section on the top. Now for the magic. So you have all your hair curled, wanded. Now we're gonna spray everything with our texture spray. Okay, now that we're texture sprayed, I'm gonna take my little volume powder. I love this stuff. And I'm going to lightly mist all of my curls before I brush them out. This is also what's going to help you hold everything together and not all your curls just not come out. I really like this one because it has a pump, so you're able to like distribute the powder. If you have one of those sprinkle ones, start high and fan around as you tap to kind of disperse it evenly, but this one makes it a little bit easier. Now, everything is lightly misted with texture spray and volume powder, and now I'm going to hold my wefts at the top and start brushing everything out with my wide tooth comb.
Don't comb your shirt, just your hair.
And there you have it, guys. An easy way to do Hollywood glam waves on yourself. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I hope you found it fun. I really love this look. It's a little more dressy, and I think you're gonna get a lot of use out of it this holiday season. It's like, this hair, where's it going? I don't know, but it's going out. I'm so grateful for you watching.